Have you ever held in a sneeze because you didn't want to make a scene? Yeah, don't do that. Technically, it's not impossible to die from holding in a sneeze. When you block a sneeze, all that crazy pressure, up to 100 miles per hour of air, has nowhere to go. Instead, it ricochets inside your head and chest like a tiny explosive. People have actually ruptured their throats, popped blood vessels in their eyes, collapsed their lungs, and in rare cases, even triggered a ruptured brain aneurysm. Basically, that harmless little achoo can turn into a medical emergency if you force it back in. So next time, grab a tissue, let it out, and save your body from being your own worst enemy. Because honestly, a loud sneeze is way less embarrassing than ending up in the ER over a sneeze you never let out.